Welcome to RVS Data Conversion. In this video we will show you how to download Matrimonial Form Filling Auto Typer software free version. Open Google browser and type Form Filling Auto Typer software. And press enter. Click on RVS Data Conversion Form Filling Auto Typing Software. Main website www.rvsdataconversion.com. Download trial version Form Filling Auto Typing Software. Free auto typer software is used for demo. RVS Auto typing software is user-friendly and this is best typing tool in the world. Extract trail folder. Open trail folder. Install free auto typing software step by step. After installation completed, Form Filling Auto Typer software desktop icon is created. Click on RVS Form Filling Auto Typing software and select Excel file. Free auto typer software. Open and upload Excel file. For Excel process please contact us. Feel free to contact RVS Software Solutions. Now open DRIS Matrimonial software and start auto typing. Adjust delay 3, and typing speed 50 in auto typing software. Choose form number in RVS Form Filling Auto Typer tool. Press start button and keep cursor in primary box of RVS/DRIS Matrimonial Form Filling software. Matrimonial Form Filling Auto Typing software types like manual typing. Due to this working performance you can complete work in short time and gain more income with auto typer. By using auto typing software you can achieve 100% accuracy. After auto typing once check data and save. Thanks for watching. Contact +91 970 430 5784.